So in today's video, we're going to talk about 5 different websites that will pay you to work from home. We're going to skip the long intros, so let's just jump straight into it. So number 1 on our list is SliceThePie. I actually really like this name. So SliceThePie is the website that will pay you to review different daily items, such as clothing items, music tracks, commercials, and more. You can listen to music or test different products and provide constructive feedback. And the better quality of your review, the more you can potentially earn. So in terms of the earning potential, it's definitely not something that is going to make you rich, but pretty much your earnings can range anywhere from 2 cents to 20 cents per review, and it all depends on the category of the item and the quality of your review. Based on my research, if you're consistently providing high quality feedback and writing reviews, you can potentially earn $10 to $50 per month. So the next one on our list is ClickWorker. So ClickWorker is a website that will pay you for doing pretty simple tasks. ClickWorker is like a crowdsourcing platform. They will offer you a variety of micro tasks that can be completed from home. And most of those tasks don't really take that much time. They include things like data categorization, web research, writing, proofreading, and taking surveys. And payments are made based on the type and the complexity of the task. The range is somewhere between a few cents to several dollars per task. So if you're an active and dedicated worker, you can sometimes make between like $10 to $50 per week, depending on task availability and your effort. So I personally see this as like a really great side hustle for like students. When I was in college, like $50 was like really great, like fun beer money on the weekends. And based on my research, those tasks are pretty simple, so it could be a fun one to try out. Number 3 on our list is Freecash, which is a platform that will pay you for various tasks, including doing fun things like playing games on your phone. I actually recently did an entire review of Freecash, and if you want to see exactly how much money I made and how long it took me, you can check that video in one of these corners. I will also include it down below. So what exactly is Freecash? Freecash is a platform that allows users to earn money by completing various online activities, including surveys, signing up for services, testing apps, and playing games like I just mentioned. Users can accumulate points that can be redeemed for cash via PayPal. You can also get cryptocurrency, Amazon gift cards, and more. Earnings can range from like a few cents all the way to, I think one of the tasks earned me almost like $20. And if you're an active user, you can sometimes make a few $100s per month, again, depending on like how much time you're dedicating and how many tasks you're able to complete. I feel like this could be a very fun side hustle because, you know, I don't know that many apps that will pay you to literally play games on your phone, and that's pretty cool. I feel like most of us do it for free, but you can get paid if you want to. Anyways, if you're curious, I'll include the link down below. I really enjoyed that app and I highly recommend it. Now, next one on our list is rev.com. I feel like a lot of you probably have heard of this website before. Pretty much what this website is they provide transcription and captioning services. Rev offers freelance opportunities, and if you want to be one of the freelancers on Rev, you can get an opportunity to make money from transcribing audio and video files, as well as translating documents, which is perfect if you are bilingual or speak multiple languages. So in terms of the payment model, Rev pays per audio video minute, and the rates vary depending on the complexity and the language of the task. So as a transcriptionist, you'll most likely earn somewhere between 30 cents to sometimes over $1 per audio minute, while captionists can earn somewhere between 50 cents to, once again, over $1 per audio minute. And as a translator, again, depending on the language that you know and how rare it is, you can actually earn even more. So as an active site user, you can actually end up earning somewhere between $200 to over $500 per month, once again, depending on the number of tasks and the complexity of the tasks that you've completed. So if you are very introverted and you like working with words or you speak multiple languages, this could be a great opportunity. And it seems like out of all the tasks that I just mentioned so far, this one has probably one of the higher earning potentials. So the last one on our list is user testing. The website is pretty much literally what it sounds, is you get to test different apps and products as a user. So the way that user testing works is that they will pay you to test websites and app and provide feedback on your experience. So as a tester, you will be given different tasks that you can complete and see how easy or how hard it is for you to complete those tasks. This is a great way for companies to, test a new software and products. So if you're, for example, like one of those people who is like very like detail oriented and you notice little things that go wrong, or you like often get annoyed at different apps and websites, this could be a great opportunity for you to, turn your attention to detail into some extra cash. So in terms of the earning and the complexity complexity, each test typically takes about 20 minutes to complete and can pay you about $10 per test, which, you know, if you convert it into like an hourly rate, that's actually a pretty decent amount of money. And with multiple tests available, active users can earn an extra $100 to $200 per month, again, depending on how many tests you are qualified for and are able to complete in a month. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you, make sure to use my link down below. So obviously none of these websites are going to replace your full-time job. I keep mentioning this over and over again, but sometimes people keep telling me that, you know, I might as well get a minimum wage job. Again, this is not what these websites are for. This is more so like extra money if you're, for example, in between jobs and want extra cash, or in addition to your full-time job, or if you are a stay-at-home parent. All these websites can be a great way to bring in extra cash because, you know, the cost of living is like out of control right now. So why not make extra cash doing fun things like testing apps and playing games? And by the way, if you enjoyed this video, you might like this one as well. So make sure to check it out. And in general, if you like videos about side hustles, passive income, and personal finance, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I release a new video every week, or at least I try to. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!